ओके, सो इट मीन्स कि आप पॉइंट्स को पिक कर रही हूँ. ओके, लास्ट टाइम वी डिड दिस exercise and we also took test in this specific exercise. आज हम रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज 2 कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद रिवीजन करने हैं. आप एग्ज़ाम तक हमने आगे नहीं जाना, एग्ज़ाम तक हमने रिविजन्स करेंगे, उसके बाद चैप्टर 2 को इंशाल्लाह हमने स्टार्ट लेने होंगे. अच्छा, review exercise 2. Given that the equation of the line representing each of the following linear graph is in the form of this, find the gradient m and state the y-intercept c. So you hopefully you know what is mean by y-intercept and how you will find the y-intercept from the graph paper. So y-intercept इस केस में क्या होगा?
7.
Good. Y-intercept is the value of y when your x is equal to 0. So this will be equal to 7. Good. Acha. Okay, so you need to, what about the gradient m?
y1 minus y2 divided by x2 minus x1.
Okay, इसमें थोड़ा सा सिली मिस्टेक है, दैट इज y1 माइनस y2 डिवाइड बाय x2 माइनस x1. Okay, if this is your graph and this is your x1 and this is your x2, so which one is greater, x1 or x2?
x2.
Yeah, x2 is greater than x1, so this will give you net sign that will be positive or negative.
Positive.
Positive.
No.
Yes, positive, because x2 is greater than x1, so greater value negative, smaller value will be equal to positive. Like let's say this is 9, this is 4, so 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Got it? So the net answer of this equation will be positive. Got it? Let's say this is y1, this is y2. So which one is greater, y1 or y2?
y2.
Okay, so net sign of this will be y1 minus y2 will be negative or positive?
Negative.
नेगेटिव. तो यहाँ पे तो आपका ग्राफ जो है वो राइजिंग है, एंड इन लास्ट फ्यू लेक्चर्स I told you that if your graph is rising, then the gradient will always be positive. In this case, your gradient will be negative because this graph is dropping graph. यहाँ पे देख लो, ये ड्रॉप हो रहा है लाइन. आप इस साइड पे पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस पे आपने जाना है, तो यहाँ पे देख लो ये ड्रॉप हो रहा है. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस की तरफ चले जाओ तो ये राइजिंग हो रहा है, राइज हो रहा है. सो यहाँ पे तो आपका ये नेट साइन यहाँ से नेगेटिव आएगा, नेगेटिव ऊपर आपका नेगेटिव आएगा समथिंग डिवाइड बाय पॉजिटिव समथिंग, तो योर साइन विल बी नेगेटिव, बट दिस ग्राफ इज राइजिंग. तो इट मीन्स के यू डिड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सिली मिस्टेक्स. क्या मिस्टेक किए आपने फार्मूला में?
It's supposed to be y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2.
Good. Yeah, exactly. अच्छा, you can write it like this के y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. यहाँ पे देख लो y2 is greater than y1, so y2 minus y1 will give you positive something, divided by x2 minus x1. x2 is greater than x1, so it will also give you positive, so your gradient will be positive. Okay, or you can write it like this, y1 minus y2 according to you, x1 minus x2. यहाँ पे देख लो y1 is less than y2, so y1 minus y2, if this is 4, this is 5, so y1 minus y2, 4 minus 5 will be equal to -1. तो यहाँ से आपका नेगेटिव आएगा ऊपर समथिंग, डिवाइड बाय x1 minus x2, so this will also give you negative answer. So negative divided by negative will be cancelled out, so final answer will be positive. Okay, so दोनों cases सही हैं. Like you can write any formula, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, या y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. But ये नहीं करना आपने, like y1 minus y2 divided by x2 minus 1. इस तरह आपने नहीं करना. That will be a big mistake. Okay, now let's solve this question. तो यहाँ पे आप correction कर लो. This will be x1 minus x2. Okay, so यहाँ पे y1 y2 या x1 x2 क्या हो जाएंगे इस केस में, इस ग्राफ में?
We can take 0 and 1.
Okay, 0 and 1. 0 is the x value and 1 is the y value. This one?
Yes.
Okay, ये पॉइंट मैं ले लूँ.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh wait, not on the y-axis, the x-axis one.
Okay, ये.
Yes, negative 1.
Okay, so what will be the advantage of this positive, this point, black point?
It will
Okay,
it will be
yes.
minus 1 2. So
Okay, so you will need to say like this, okay, you will need to take this point. You will always take points on curve. Okay, this is my curve. Okay, this is my straight line, this is my graph line. So you will always take points on this graph line. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपने पॉइंट लेना है, तो यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू क्या है? -1. यहाँ पे y की वैल्यू क्या है? 2 है. So -1 into 2. This will be my first coordinates. What about second coordinates? Second coordinates कौन कौन से ले रहे हैं?
0 0.
Okay, 0 0. Second, you mean we will need to take this point?
Yeah.
Okay, so here the x value is equal to, क्या है यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू?
7.
नहीं, यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 0 है. यहाँ पे दिस इज and y value is 7. Okay, so this is my second coordinate. Now this is my x1 y1, this is my x2 y2. Okay, so formula, gradient will be equal to x y1 minus y2. Y1 is 2, negative, y2 is 7, divided by x1 minus x2. X1 is -1 minus x2, that is 0. Okay, so your m will be equal to -5 divided by -1. Negative sign will be cancelled by this negative sign, so m will be equal to 5. So this will be your gradient. Okay, और positive 5 आ गया तो it means कि rising है. It means कि your answer is right. Got it?
Yes.
अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट बी में आपका ग्रेडियंट क्या आएगा? पॉजिटिव आएगा या नेगेटिव?
Negative.
ओके, नेगेटिव. ओके, सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन ताकि प्रैक्टिस अच्छी तरह से हो जाए आपका. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड y इंटरसेप्ट.
On paper?
No. Just tell me what will be your y intercept.
Okay, your y-intercept will be -4.
Good. What about m?
y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. The values can be minus -1 and minus 1.5 and 4, and then minus no, yeah, wait, one, minus 1 and 3 can be the first values. For x it's minus 1, and for
Who said this is equal to 3? Maybe it will be equal to 2.99, or it will be equal to 2.7, or it will be equal to 3.6. Actually this value is not given to us, so ये risk नहीं लेना, कोई और coordinates ले लो. Here this is minus 1, yes, this is minus 1.5, you can say like this, क्योंकि this length is equal to this length, this box is equal to this box, so that's why you can take this.
you can, I got the values. For x it can be 0, and then y will be minus 4,
Okay, 0
and then
minus, good, then
minus 2
good,
and 10.
good, minus 2 and 10. Okay, so now you will need to put the values. वो क्या हो जाएंगे?
Wait, do I have to tell you?
Yeah, you will need to.
Okay, 0, no, sorry, wait, no, minus 4 plus 10 divided by 0 minus 2.
Okay, 0 minus 2.
Plus, because, oh, yeah. Because minus is multiplying with minus
Acha, this is your x1, y1, or this one is your x1, y1?
2. The 0 minus 4.
You are moving like this, or you are moving like this? You will need to move like this or like this. Very good point. In graph paper, you will need to move like this, or you will need to move like this. You will always need to move in the positive x direction, okay? So you will always need to move in this direction, not in this direction, because this is negative axis direction. This is the positive axis direction. Okay, so if you move like this, so this will be your final value, this will be your initial value. If you move like this, so this will be your final value, this will be your initial value. Okay, क्योंकि ये आगे हैं, यहाँ पे लिख लो. If you move like this, so first you will get this point, then you will get this point. And similarly in this case, if you move like this, first you will get this point, then you will get this point. So this will be your x1, this will be your y1, this will be your x2, this will be your y2. Because यहाँ पे देख लो, you said that this is my x1, this is my y1, this is my x2, this is my y2, and you put it all these value according to this. Like this will be minus 4 plus 10 divided by x minus into minus 2. तो यहाँ से तो आपका स्लोप पॉजिटिव आ रहा है. ये देख लो, पॉजिटिव 6 डिवाइड बाय पॉजिटिव 2, पॉजिटिव 3 आ रहा है, बट दिस इज द ड्रॉपिंग ग्राफ. एंड वी नो दैट इन ड्रॉपिंग ग्राफ द स्लोप विल ऑलवेज बी नेगेटिव. तो यहाँ पे तो सिली मिस्टेक हो गया आपसे. तो इट मीन्स कहाँ पे सिली मिस्टेक हुआ है, आपने ये गलत लिए. You will take this as a x1 y1 and you will take this as a x2 y2. Why? Because if you move in the positive x direction, then this will come first. After this you will get this point. So this is your x1 y1, this is your x2 y2. Got it? Yeah, अभी भी confusion हो रही है.
I get it.
Okay, कोई confusion तो नहीं है? हो कोई questions हो आपके mind में, पूछ लिया करो.
No.
Okay, good. So यहाँ पे क्या करना है, this will be your y2, x1 y2. तो this equation will look like this. This will be y1 is 10 minus y2 is -4. So -4 को आपने ब्रैकेट में लिखना है, because this is the formula negative sign and this is the value of y2 divided by x1. X1 is -2, negative x2 is 0, 10. This is negative, this is negative, so negative will become positive. ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा, डिवाइड बाय -2 आ जाएगा, -0 विल बी इक्वल टू 0, तो यहाँ पे आपका 14 आ जाएगा. So this will be your slope, and this is negative. Yes, that is right, because this is the graph is also dropping graph. Okay, question number 2. The flag down or over. Acha, read this question and solve this question as well.
The flag down fare of a taxi is $M. The taxi charges $N for each kilometer it travels. Use the graph to find the value of M and of N.
Okay, so how you will find the M and N value?
You can do y equals mx plus c, and you can yes, okay, so then y for m you can do it's y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. So y is the y is $N, the taxi charges, the charges for the taxi, and then x is the distance, so
Good.
that's $M. So then you can you have to take the values. So 0 is 2, and 2.5 is 4.5.
Good, because we only have this point. Okay, बाकी points आपके axis पे नहीं आ रहे. अच्छा, now we need to move in the positive x direction. Okay, so this is a rising graph or dropping graph? Rising graph, because okay, so this will be your x1 or x2 value? This one.
Oh, acha, this one will be x1.
Good. y1, and this will be x2, y2. Okay, so your m will be equal to x1, y1 is 2, negative sign, y1 minus y2 is 5, x1 is 0, negative, x2 is 2.5, so your m value will be equal to 2 minus 5, which is equal to -3, divided by -2.5. So this negative will cancel by this negative, so 3 divided by 2.5, that will be equal to 1.2. So this is your slope. So y is this one, which is in dollar. That will be equal to m value is 1.2, x value is in kilometer distance, plus c. What will be the value of c?
Again, sorry.
Okay, so you got this equation. I just substitute the value of m.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, what will be the value of c? Yeah, that's equal to. Okay, so they're saying that use the graph to find the value of m and of n. Okay, the flag down fare of a taxi is m. This is my m. Note this one. First of all, we need to find, okay, this is my equation. Y is equal to 1.2 x plus 2. Now after this, I will need to find the values of m and n. So the flag down fare of a taxi is $m. The taxi charges $n for each kilometer it travel. So for each kilometer it travel, the taxi charges $n. Okay, so it means for x is if you put the value of x is equal to 1 for each dollar, your y value will be equal to x is equal to 1 kilometer. For x is equal to 1 kilometer, what will be my y value? That is not given to me. So what I will do, I will need to find by using this equation. Okay, like in this case it is given to me, but here it is not given to me. So I will find this value by using this equation. Okay, so the taxi charges $n for each kilometer it travels. So for 1 kilometer, the taxi charges $n and y is your dollar. Okay, your charges. So it means that my y will be equal to $n for each kilometer it travels. So 1.2 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, x की जगह 1 आ जाएगा plus 2 आ जाएगा. So your $n that will be equal to 2 plus 1, 3.2 आ जाएगा. So it means that it will be $3.2. यहाँ पे देख लो तो 3.2 आ गया, 2, 3, 4 तो 3.2. So it means that for each kilometer it travel, the taxi will charge $3.2. Use the graph to find the value of m and of n. Okay, so what do you think? m को किस तरह आपने find करना है आप? Okay, so it will use the graph to find the value of m and each of n. Okay, so actually m is your flag down fare. Okay, so your final price, let's say that is y will be equal to m plus this one, like for each kilometer, so $3.2 per kilometer, या per distance. So this will be your formula. तो यहाँ पे देख लो हमारे पास कौन सी वैल्यू है, इसको ले लेते हैं. Here the y value is 5, so I will put 5 over here. This will be my m. This will be 3.2 divided by kilometer. So I will need to multiply something over here. So that is 2.5 kilometer. So this kilometer will be cancelled out by this kilometer, so you will get the answer in dollar. So your m will be equal to 3.2 times 2.5, that should be equal to 5. This will be equal to 8, so 8 will come over here. So over here your m will be equal to 3 $. So this will be the final answer. डॉलर आपका नेगेटिव में नहीं होता, पॉजिटिव में होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग पॉजिटिव साइन ओवर हियर.